So as you can see, I have started on a garden plot. I'll take you around in just a second and show you what I've done and kind of talk through it a little bit. This is my first garden ever. So I'm really excited about what I'm going to learn. I've already had little successes, so of course I want a lot more, but I'm already just in a positive mood and have a positive outlook on this space. So let me show you what we're already doing, and I'm just really excited about it. Okay, so this space is, here is like one of our corners. This space is a 20 by 30 space, and the entrance is going to be like right around here. There's a lot of traffic right now. The entry is going to be right around here. We already purchased our T-post and our 6-foot galvanized wire mesh fencing. So what I want to do is I want to get all the garden beds done, and then so the inside complete, all that work done, and then put up the barrier. I just feel like it's going to be easier for me to go ahead and get all of this inside work done without the restrictions of bumping into the fence. So this is actually garden bed number 2 that I cleared. We'll see how this goes. I am trying to do this as inexpensively as possible. We'll see what of those choices are good ideas and what of those choices are not good ideas. This is garden bed number 1 that I cleared, and this has a ton of rocks. So I don't know why there are rocks added here, but it's like right underneath the sod. Yeah, so there's a lot of clearing out the rocks and stuff like that. I did plant corn seeds here. I watered them in, and I watered them this morning. I might need to water them again. I don't know. I don't know if they were viable seeds. I don't know if they're going to grow here. I do have some potting mix in the garage that I might just kind of lightly put over this, even though that's not, if I were doing it, I don't know. If I were doing it the right way, or the way that, everybody tells you to, I wouldn't use potting mix, of course. And, there'd be a few things different, but I'm going to see. I'm going to see what happens. So this was the first one that I dug. And then, yes, so I am going to go ahead and, okay, let me explain this part. So I'm at the back, the wood side. And so here's garden bed number 1. That's the second one I dug, but this in between here, there's going to be another one. So these are 3 by 6. They're not very large, but the plan is to have 9. So 3 there. And then kind of if we're lined up with, where am I? Those green stacked pots. I have lettuce in there right now. So 3 more here. And then getting lined up with the gray one. 3 more here. And then the plan is to have, like, here's another stake. It's like a bamboo stake. So the plan is to have 2.5 to 3 feet. It might be 2.5. 2.5 feet between the garden beds, and then 2.5 feet perimeter and like walkways. So that's what we're doing this year. Okay, so that is the plan. Right now, what I'm going to do is dig out this clear out this middle bed right here. I can only do like 2 of these a day. So, I don't know if I'm going to do 2 right now. Yeah, let me talk to you face to face. I don't know if I'm going to do 2 right now, but I'm going to do 1 and see. I have a different way that I'm going to try to do it to see if it goes a little bit quicker and a little bit less effort. So we'll see how that goes, but this is the preliminary plan. I'm going to go ahead and execute, and I'm really anxious to get seeds in the ground. So we'll see. Okay, so before I sign off for this video, I'm just going to show you. I've got my trusty cart here. I love this thing. I have a chair, which I need to turn around so that it creates a little bit of a shadow, because that's where I'm going to put my phone. Okay, sorry for all this spinning. I know, that's bad. Bad on me. So I have, these are just all the different things that I tried the other day, and I put it all back in the cart. So I have a hula hoe or an action hoe here. I have a flat rake. Flat rake? I think it's called a flat rake. I have a level, I have a square shovel, and I have a smaller flat square shovel. I have a short pitchfork. I have my Gatorade. Let's see. What else do I have here? Oh, so I have a measuring tape. That's very helpful. I'm not very good at straight lines, I've discovered, so that is helpful. Got myself a little protein snack. 2 pairs of gloves. I have plant tone. I know I'm not doing this the way I watched over and over. Like for 2 years, I have been watching people garden, and I know this is not exactly the way that I would like to do it, but like I said, it is what it is. I think I'm still going to be able to accomplish my goals. Okay. So yes, I think I'm still going to be able to accomplish my goals, and it is a learning process that I think you never quite complete the lesson of gardening. It's just lessons every single day. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do today, and I will get back with you later. Bye-bye.